Hey everyone! Today, we're building a mini solar car, a simple yet high-performance project that's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and beginners alike. We start by preparing the chassis, which is the backbone of the car. For this, we're using wooden sticks chosen for their lightweight yet sturdy properties. Before assembling, we carefully measure and cut each stick according to the dimensions needed for a balanced and stable base. Accurate cutting is essential because it ensures that all components will fit perfectly. Once the sticks are ready, we begin assembling them using instant glue, which gives a strong and durable hold. We make sure every joint is secure, as the chassis forms the foundation of the entire build. If you want to make this project even more advanced, which will make the structure sleeker and more professional, next we add support elements using drinking straws. These straws act as holders for various parts of the car. We carefully position them on the chassis and fix them with glue. For the rear side, we cut a slightly larger straw to accommodate back components and ensure everything stays stable during movement. Now that the basic structure is ready, we start by taking some wooden sticks and cutting them precisely according to the measurements needed for the next assembly steps. Next we use 4 bottle caps, which will serve as wheels for our mini solar car. To attach them securely to the wooden sticks, we use instant glue, ensuring that each wheel is firmly fixed and aligned correctly. Proper alignment here is crucial for smooth movement and overall performance. Once the wheels are prepared, we carefully fit all the components onto the chassis, making sure each part is positioned correctly. For a stable assembly, we use small supporting pieces to hold the bottle caps in place while the glue sets. After checking the alignment and stability, all parts are permanently fixed using instant glue, which guarantees a strong, durable, and reliable structure. Now that the chassis and wheels are in place, we move on to assembling the front components. We start by fitting the front axle carefully onto the chassis. Proper alignment is important to ensure smooth movement, so we take our time and make sure it's securely in position. And friends, if you want to take this project to the next level, you can design the car body using 3D printing. I'll show the full design process in an upcoming video. Comment below if you want us to make it. To begin, we focus on assembling the main structure of the car and preparing it for all the key components. First, we make sure that the chassis is perfectly aligned and all wheels are firmly fixed in place. Once the structure is ready, we attach 3-volt solar panels to power the car. Next, we take a bottle cap and carefully drill a hole using a drill machine. This hole will allow us to securely fit the motor inside. A pre-drilled hole in one of the bottle caps allows us to mount the motor easily. We fit the motor into the cap and secure it with instant glue to ensure it stays firmly in place during operation. To control the car, we add an on/off switch. Wiring all components is simple, just follow the correct polarity and sequence. For convenience, the complete wiring diagram is available in the description, and carefully complete all electrical connections. After completing the wiring for the switch, we carefully secure the switch on the top side of the chassis using instant glue. This ensures that the switch stays firmly in place and does not move during operation. All wires from the switch are routed neatly to the underside of the chassis for a clean and organized layout. We apply a small amount of glue on the wires so that they remain fixed and stable. Next, we take a wooden stick, cut it to the required length, and attach it to the chassis to provide additional support for the motor assembly. Using instant glue, we make sure the motor is securely fixed and perfectly aligned to drive the wheels efficiently. Before completing the connections, we trim any extra wires to prevent clutter or accidental short circuits. Now, we carefully complete all the remaining connections using proper soldering to ensure strong and reliable joints. Once the soldering work is done, we attach a fan blade to the motor shaft, which will help demonstrate the motor's rotation clearly. With this step completed, the project is now fully assembled and ready for testing. We take the mini solar car outdoors. Now we turn the switch on, and as you can see, the project starts working smoothly. The motor runs efficiently, clearly showing how well the mini solar car performs using solar power. Let me know in the comments how you liked this project. That's all for today's video. See you in the next one.